Good morning, Louie here. Yep, people, this is my dad. He's pretty good looking just like me, huh? Yeah, I think so. Yep, this is from before. We're not wearing Christmas anymore. That's past already. But some people are thinking about next year Christmas. Yep. Alrighty then. Guess what I did this morning? I walked over to my mom's face and I looked in it because, sometimes in the morning I gotta go for a walk. I gotta go poop. Yeah. So then I looked in her face and I sneezed. I think she woke up then because her face was all wet. Dad was over there laughing. He thought it was really funny. Probably it didn't happen to him. Happened to Mom, so it's funny. I bet he wouldn't think it was funny if I sneezed in his face. Yeah. And what's this all about that, Dad takes his phone to the bathroom? How come I don't have a phone? I could use a phone and when I'm pooping. Oh, wait a minute. I don't have hands. It's all right. So, people, Pug Party. See you at